Happy Wednesday, Year 5. Now, I'm hoping that you have spotted a little theme going on this week in order for our maths lessons to link together. Now, we are looking at metres and millimetres today, so as the same as Tuesday and Monday. Do you know how many millimetres are in 1 metre? Thinking back to some of our key knowledge that we have covered this week. Could that maybe give us a clue? Of course it can give us a clue. So as usual, we have our key facts to remember, and we can see that to convert from metres to millimetres, we times. To convert from millimetres to metres, we divide by 1000. So can you complete these two questions here for me? First, see if you can convert between the two. So, task 1. So in order for our facts to be written in this way, we need to remember the rules for the conversion. So, in these first lines here in our statements, you are either going to write divide or multiply by 1000 and then tell me the answer on the second line. So if you write these two sentences on your page and work out the answers for me, as I said, you're going to write either multiply or divide on the first line in each sentence. And then for the answer, you're going to tell me how you got your answer. So write your answer and then I'll be able to see that your statement is complete. Task 2 then, so we've had a look at bar models before, we've had a look at the beginning of this week as well, so we have a key to follow, and I'd like you to have a go at A, B and C, so you could draw the bar models if that helps you. I know a lot of you have been putting that the bar model helps more than the double number lines, and I would possibly agree with that as well because you can see it more clearly. Okay, so I'd like you to have a go at A, B and C using the bar models to complete these conversions. Okay then, if you are feeling like you need a little bit more practice, that's absolutely fine. I would rather you do that first than struggle and not be quite sure what's expected. Okay, I'd rather you have a go at some of the yellow questions and then maybe go on to the green ones. It's completely up to you. So your yellow questions today, you've got a worded problem as well, and you haven't explained your answer. So please try and use your sentences for those as well. Greens, you've got some statements to complete similar to the first task. You've also got some ordering to do. You've got a worded problem, and then you've also got another worded problem here where you need to explain. Now, especially on greens, you should be using stem sentences to explain your answers. And then blues, you have some different types of bunting to work out the conversions. Can you convert from metres and millimetres? So make sure you are reading which measurement it is and not getting too confused. Number 2 is a worded problem. Okay, problem solving is big on the agenda, so we need to make sure that we are systematically showing our working and breaking down the question as well, making sure we are breaking down each step so we can see your working at each point, and it asks you to explain at the end as well. And then just a tiny little word problem at the bottom for you as well. I'm not saying it's going to be easy. The word problem could be quite tricky today, so make sure you just have a go and see what you can get.